Hello everyone, my orange CraftBot 3D printer from Craft Unit is printing 4 items, and these 4 items are part of the legs for this MiniPlan robot. The 4 items are these 43, 44 and these 2. So total there are 4 items. And as you can see, the item on the left in fact had come out from the plate, and I shifted it out from the original position to here. I just hope that this print will still go on well. Let's check back in a couple of minutes time. Total print time is estimated at 41 minutes, and printing is ongoing for about 7 minutes. Thank you.